tutorial number 8, Image Overlay. Hello, and welcome to the pco.camware video tutorials. This video explains the Image Overlay function. Sometimes you acquire an image or an image sequence and you want to add certain information or acquisition parameters to it. With the help of the Image Overlay function, you can add this information easily without overwriting the image content. With a right-click in the View window, you can activate Show Image Overlay. A text box will appear which shows image information. As default, the image number, the date, the time, and other parameters are shown. Please be aware that this text box is only added on top of the display image. It will not influence or overwrite the raw data. This image overlay is only available within pco.camware. It will not be displayed when opening raw image in another software. To customize the displayed information, you need to open up the second tab available at the Camera Properties section on the right-hand side of the pco.camware default layout. If the Image Overlay tab is not available, you can access it via View, Toolbars and Docking Windows, Image Overlay. With the help of the drop-down menu in the Overlay section, you can add different items to the text box. Available are a lot of parameters, just like the exposure time, the bit depth, or the image width and height. One can also add custom text in case a specific application data must be connected to the image or sequence. The order of appearance can easily be selected by the drop-down menu beside each item, or simply drag and drop single items up and down. By using the Appearance menu, you can also customize the text font, size, and color. It is also possible to adjust the arrangement of the information as well as the position. Be aware that you can also simply drag and drop the image overlay in your image. Thank you for watching our video tutorial.